Welcome to Name That Heart Sound. This is the Flashcard game show where you identify the heart sounds. Let's dive straight in. Here is question 1. Can you name that heart sound? The correct answer is pansystolic murmur. This type of murmur is found in mitral regurgitation, tricuspid regurgitation, and ventricular septal defect. Question 2. And the correct answer is the S3 heart sound. This can be a normal finding in those under the age of 40. In individuals over 40, it is pathological. Common causes include ischemic heart disease, dilated cardiomyopathy, aortic regurgitation, and mitral regurgitation. Question 3. The correct answer is normal heart sounds. These are the S1 and S2 heart sounds. Question 4. The correct answer is ejection systolic murmur. This is typically found in aortic stenosis and pulmonary stenosis. Okay, so we are halfway through the quiz. Let's just take a few moments to rest because I wanted to let you know that your support is what keeps me going. And to help this channel flourish, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell to join our learning family. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's now move on to question 5. The correct answer is early diastolic murmur, which can be found in aortic and pulmonary regurgitation. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 6. The correct answer is ejection systolic murmur with splitting of the S2 heart sound. This is a classic finding in atrial septal defects. Let's move on to question 7. The correct answer is machinery murmur. This is a classic finding in patients with a patent ductus arteriosus. Question 8. The correct answer is the S4 heart sound. The S4 heart sound classically occurs in patients with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy and hypertension. Question 9. The correct answer is a mid-diastolic murmur with an opening snap. This is a classic finding in mitral stenosis. If you found this as interesting as I did, help me to spread the knowledge. Share this video on Facebook, WhatsApp, Reddit, or wherever else you think fellow learners might benefit. Your shares are the heartbeat of our channel's growth. So let's keep this learning rhythm going together. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next show.